Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into a comprehensive guide on how to create a time tracker in Airtable, just what you need to stay organized and efficient in 2025. First things first, head to Airtable and create a new base. Think of this as the foundation of your time tracker. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a clean slate to start building our time tracking tool. Now that we've done that, let's add two tables to our base. Name the first one Projects and the second one Tasks. This helps us because it allows us to categorize the different aspects of our work and keep everything streamlined. Next up, we're going to add fields to our Tasks table. Add a name field for the task, a duration field to record the time spent, and a link to project field. This is where the magic happens. By linking tasks to projects, we're creating a system that lets us track time spent on each project. Now let's talk about automation. In the duration field, set up an automatic timer. This can be done by creating a formula that starts counting the moment a task is added. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you add a task, the timer starts ticking, and when you mark the task as complete, the timer stops. This is why we add the timer. It gives us real-time tracking without having to keep an eye on the clock. Okay, we're almost there. Now, go to the Projects table and add a total time field. Use a roll-up field that sums up the duration of all tasks linked to that project. The reason we do this is to get a bird's-eye view of the time spent on each project. And there you have it, your very own time tracker in Airtable, ready to help you manage your time like a pro. Just before we wrap up, let me explain why this matters. A time tracker in Airtable not only helps you keep track of your work, but also gives you insights into how you're spending your time. It's a versatile tool that can adapt to your work style and needs, helping you stay organized, efficient, and on top of your game. And that's it for today. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and remember, time is the one resource we can't renew, so use it wisely. Until next time.